Hey guys, in today's video we are going to take a look at the Lineage OS 15.1 for our Galaxy S10 2016, which is in fact the Android 8.1.0 Oreo ROM. So without wasting more time, let's start. So we get the trebuchet launcher, which is the Lineage OS 15 launcher. So moving into settings, into system, and into the about phone, we can see model JSON10F, Android version 8.1.0, Lineage OS version 15.1, and you can click here. This is the Lineage OS Easter egg, and by clicking here we get the Lineage OS octopus. You can see it's same like the Oreo one, and this looks nice actually, the logo inside and this minimal lines, so this one looks nice than the bigger one that we have on the Oreo Easter egg. So you can see Android version 8.1 Oreo. This is the Oreo biscuit with Android on it. This is the octopus. Now the quick settings, same Oreo, it's pure Oreo, and we don't get the AICP extras here, so all of the extra functions are removed. It's plain pure Lineage OS, so it's like pure stock 8.1.0, not the Google one. It's not seen on any other device. On Lineage OS 15.1 you also get the always on display options. You can enable it, but it's buggy, so I will tell you why it's buggy. You can see the screen is locked, but when I turn it on, it just black screen, so I need to just turn it on like this and it will just, you can see. So this is a bug, so it will be fixed in the next version of the Lineage or next upcoming versions afterwards, not just like now. So you just need to turn it off after booting your device. We have some customizations option. This is the minimum customization we see on Lineage OS 15.1. The buttons, we can enable the on-screen navbar. This looks different from the AICP one because this is a pure Lineage, no extras, and navigation bar options, power menu, can disable the wake device like on the lock screen, so it won't wake your device anymore. And we have some more options down here for the power menu, back button, menu, but you can customize it after you install it on your device. Now coming to the performance, now performance really well. It's no lagging. It's really, I played games on AICP2, it was not lagging. Even Subway Surfers, like the normal games we play on our devices, was easily working good, and it stays in memory, so that is a good thing over TouchWiz when it kills the games and it restarts. And about the battery is also battery awesome. You can get 9 hours screen on time or more. It's about your usage, nothing else. And that's it for the video, and some bugs are available on both, so yeah, I need to just clear it out. And that's it for the video. If you guys like this video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. Also subscribe down below. All the feedback will be in the comment section, also the comments about if you have any problems. And bye bye, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah.